Whether you're from Rhyl, Prestatyn or the surrounding areas, Lobitos Tyre Depot is a trusted, professional and highly efficient garage that's been supplying and fitting tyres, exhausts and batteries for customers just like you for over 65 years. Our garage is managed and run by our team of expert technicians who have years of experience in servicing cars, vans and other commercial vehicles. We take pride in every job we undertake, whether that's fitting a new exhaust on your car or light commercial vehicle or installing a new battery. If your car is due an MOT, then don't panic. Bring your vehicle down to Lobitos Tyre Depot and let our expert technicians provide a thorough check and undertake small MOT repairs. With 6 bays available, you're welcome to wait. Our mechanics are trained to test your vehicle to DVSA standards and will carry out any necessary work to ensure that your vehicle passes its MOT and is safe to drive. We can carry out most repairs on site the very same day while you wait in our comfortable waiting room. For more information, to book an MOT or to speak to someone about a concern you have with your vehicle, get in touch and speak to our friendly team today.